WordPress course outline. How to install WordPress themes, plus how to add posts, plus pages in WordPress. Go to Appearance, click on Themes. Then click on Add New Theme. Now choose and install a theme. Then click on Activate. Now visit your website. Here you can see your theme is activated. Go to Posts. Click on Add New Posts. Then right heading of your post. Then write paragraph. Then click on Publish. Now click again on Publish. Then go to your website. You can see your post. Go to Pages, click on Add New Page. Then right heading of your page. Then write paragraph. Then click on Publish. Now click again on Publish. Now click on View Page. Then you can see your page.